My name is Jitse Dijkstra and I'm a professor of classics at the University of Ottawa. My research focuses on the religious transformation from the ancient religions to Christianity in late antiquity, a profound period of cultural change, and I conduct this research specifically in Egypt, where I have several field projects. The period that I study, late antiquity, laid the foundation for Christianity's central role in the Western world for centuries to come. It was also a period of multiculturalism, mass migrations and complex interactions between religions, phenomena that have much relevance for our world today. From their earliest existence, humans have tried to make sense of the world around them by means of religion. There is, in my view, therefore no better way of getting close to the psyche of the people living in the ancient world than to study their religious expressions, which is exactly what I've set out to do in my career. I often have the privilege of being the first ever to decipher a human message that was left on stone or in the desert sand centuries ago, which is an indescribably fulfilling and even touching experience.